everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti and we are here for our morning maths class. So children, let's get started. If you remember, in the last class we did bond mass and today we are going to do the second part of bond mass. So let's see what all questions we will see in this topic, in this session. So today we will also learn how to work with brackets because the first thing in BODMAS is B, which is brackets. So let's learn how to work with these brackets also. Find the value of 8 times bracket 2 plus 5. In bracket we have 2 plus 5 plus 3. So you know this. First is bracket in BODMAS. So we have to simplify what is inside the bracket. Okay. So we'll see what is there. 8 times 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Right. We'll write that. Now the simple thing. Bracket is done. Now next is addition and multiplication. So what we are going to pick up first? We'll pick up multiplication first. So when there is only one number inside the bracket, we can just remove the bracket. And let me tell you one thing, if 8 is written like that, there is no sign in between and it's 7, okay? 8 bracket 7. What does that mean? It means multiplication. Either it is written like this or it is written like this. It means multiplication, 56. And even if you remove the bracket, like if it's 8 times bracket 7, you can even remove the bracket and write 8 times 7, which is 56. So in all the cases, the answer will be same. So 8 times 7 plus 3. First we will do multiplication and then addition. 8 times 7 is 56 plus 3, 59. So that's how you have to solve it. I hope I made this clear to you all. Perfect. Let's do this. 10 plus 5 minus 4. So 10 plus 5 minus 4. First we are going to solve the brackets. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. 10 plus 1 times 3. 10 plus 5 minus 4 times 3. So 10 plus 5 minus 4 is 1 times 3. I'll remove the bracket and just write 1 like that. So 10 plus 1 times 3. Are we going to add or multiply first? We are going to multiply first. Then addition. So 10 plus 3 times 1 is 3. And then 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 is the answer here, dear children. Isn't it very easy? It is actually. So here 20 times 3 plus 4. I know that multiplication comes before addition. But dear children, addition is there in the bracket. So the first thing in BODMAS is we have to solve the bracket. So here we need to solve the bracket first. So 20 times 3 plus 4, 7. It's in the bracket. So I can even remove the bracket. 20 times 7 is 140. This is the answer. I hope this is clear to you all. So first thing in BODMAS is solve the bracket. Okay, then do it. Now 10 plus 30 divided by 2. I know in BODMAS division comes first before addition. But even before that, we have a bracket. And whatever is there in the bracket, we need to solve that. So 10 plus 30 first we will do is 40 divided by 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So 20 is the answer. Always solve the bracket first. 10 plus 30 is 40 in bracket. I can even remove the bracket and write 40 divided by 2, which is 20. So that's how you have to solve it. Let's do the next question. I want you to do this. Come on, dear children. 15 divided by, we are going to solve the bracket first. 2 plus 1 is 3 times 4 plus 10. Okay, 15 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3 times 4 plus 10. So first we are going to divide. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Times 4 plus 10. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 10 is 30. 30 is the answer. Because 2 plus 1 is 3, right? 15 divided by 3 is 5. Because 3 times 5 is 15. Times 4 plus 10. So first I'm going to do times, then plus 10. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 10 is 30. So here we have got the answer as 30. BODMAS is very, very easy. The only thing that you need to keep in your mind is the order, how you have to solve it. If you will keep the order in your mind, it will be very easy for you to solve it. So just keep the order in your mind and that's it. Now, let's move on to the next question. This is the next question. 9 plus 3 in bracket times 10. Now, this question is very easy. Nothing much in this. Super easy. 9 plus 3 times 10. So, first we are going to solve the bracket. 9 plus 3, 12. In the bracket times 10. I can even remove the bracket. It will be 12 times 10. And any number times 10 will give you 1 0. And that same number, that is 120. 120 is the answer here. If you got that, you're doing great. Okay, now in bracket we have two operations and 3 numbers. Solve it. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So first thing that I'm going to do here is division, because division comes here first, like after bracket. Obviously, I'm solving the bracket. So in bracket, division comes first. So 60 divided by 3 is 20 plus 12. That is in bracket only. Times 4. 20 plus 12, 32 times 4. You can either put the bracket or remove the bracket. Will not affect the answer. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Answer is 128. So first I solved the bracket. In the bracket, I did division first. 60 divided by 3 is 20. 20 plus 12 is 32 times 4. 32 times 4 is 128. 128 is the answer. Let's hop on to the next question. Over here, 60 divided by 30 divided by 10. Now, both the times we have division, but what we have to do here first? Which division thing we have to solve? So, as you know, in BODMAS, it's bracket. So, solve the bracket first. The division sign that's in the bracket, solve that first. So 60 as it is, because that is out of the bracket, we need to solve the brackets first. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 60 divided by 3 is 20. Right answer? Let's recheck. 60 as it is, 30 divided by 10 is 3. 60 divided by 3 is 20. 20 is the answer here. Right? Over here. So these questions, again, I'm telling you, are very, very easy. You just need to focus, like what's happening, and that's it. Okay, Now, let's go to the next question. 50 divided by 2 times 5. 50 divided by 2 times 5. This is very, very easy. Just follow the order, right order. That's it. Okay. All right. So let's see. 50 divided by 2 times 5. First, I'm going to solve the bracket. 50 as it is divided by 2 times 5 is 10. 50 divided by 10 is 5. 5 is the answer. Super easy questions. You will just get the answer in 1 or 2 steps. Next. Always solve the bracket first. No matter which operation is there in the bracket, always solve the bracket first. And in bracket, if there are 2, 3 operations, then you need to follow the order. Whatever is the order, you need to follow that in bracket also. So 40 as it is minus 2 plus 10 is 12 times 3. So I'm going to remove the bracket. Yeah, that you can do in the first step also. Now, multiplication is first. 12 times 3 is 36, right? 40 minus 36 is 4. 4 is the answer, right? Next question we'll do 40 minus 2 plus, in bracket, it's 9 divided by 3 times 6. 40 minus 2 plus 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 6. I have removed the bracket in the first step only. Now, what will be first? 40 minus 2 as it is plus 3 as, wait. Yeah. Here it is 3 times 6. 18, right? Now, addition, word must. So here 40 as it is, it's minus 2 plus 18, right? So I can write it as 16 because 2 is with the sign of minus. 40 plus 16, it's 56. Or you can do it like this, 40 plus 18. 58 minus 2. Again, the answer is 56. Both the ways are correct. The sign matters here. Is it negative or positive? Let's do the next question. Here we are going to compare. Now what we are going to compare? The signs are same. In one question, you will find the bracket. In the other question, there is no bracket. So let's see how to do it. 48 divided by 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is in the bracket. So 4 divided by 2 first we will solve. 48 as it is. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now it has become 48 divided by 2, which is 24. So here we got the answer as 24. If you look at the other side, there is no bracket. So first we will solve the first one. 48 divided by 4. So 48 divided by 4 is 12. Then we have divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Here the answer is 6. Answer here is 24. Here it is 6. Though the digits are same, the operations are same, but still the answer is different. Why? Because there we have a bracket and in the second one we don't have a bracket. So bracket plays a crucial role. You can see that. Both the answers are different. Even though having same operations, same numbers, the answers are different. Compare. What is the answer in both? Sixty times 4 plus 2 in bracket and 60 times 4 plus 2. Quickly write the question here. 60 times 4 plus 2. And here we have 60 times 4 plus 2. Okay, so dear children, let me do this one first. 60 times 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, 60 times 6 is 360. Because 6 times 6 is 36 and there is one more zero, so answer is 360. Here, the next one, we have 60 times 4 first, 240 plus 2, 242. Because there is no such bracket, so I'll follow the order. Like first multiplication and then addition. 6 times 4 is 24, 10 plus 2, 242. So in both the cases, the answers are completely different. We'll try one more question here. 50 divided by, in the bracket you have 10 times 2 and other one is 50 divided by 10 times 2. 10 times 2. I hope it's done. All right. So let's see how we are doing it. 50 divided by 10 times 2 is 20. Yeah, 50 divided by 10 times 2 is 20. So here we will get the answer as 2.5. But here if it's 50 divided by 10 times 2, 1 second. Yeah. What is 50 divided by 10? It's 5 times 2, it's 10. So that's how we solve it. Right? One more question we will do. See here, the answer was 2.5 and here it is 10, a bracket. How a bracket can, change the answer. One last question for today's class. 100 times in bracket we have 4 plus 2 and in the other one it's 100 times 4 plus 2 without bracket. So here we have 100 as it is times 4 plus 2 is 6. 100 times 6 is 600. And if I talk about the other one, over here, it's 100 times 4 is 400 plus 2, it's 402. So 100 as it is, 4 plus 2 is 6, 100 times 6 is 600. Now 100 times 4 is 400 plus 2 is 402. So both of the answers are clearly visible that they are different. 600 and 402. So make sure you see the brackets. You solve the brackets first. If anything is there in the bracket, just solve it. And if there are more than two operations, follow the order. But bracket will always be solved first. So that's how you can do the BODMAS questions very easily. You just need to follow the proper order, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So yes, children, that's all for our today's class. Thank you so much for joining the class. I'll see you in the next class, but make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel because these sessions go live on YouTube, and please subscribe to the channel so that you can get regular updates. All right? And keep practicing. Thank you so much for joining once again. I'll see you in the next class. By the time, take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.